Yeah, they're very well known, a reputable organization. So this was an ideal partnership for us, and the fact that they were willing to invest in our technology because they themselves see such a huge upside within their specific region for implementation. I think lends well to where we're going and how we're growing with the business at Enwave.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. Joining me now is Brent Charlton. He is the president and CEO of Enwave Corporation. And Brent, it's good to see you again. How are you?
Doing great, Steve.
Good stuff. Well, the company out with the news out today about a strategic partnership with CNTA. So, good place to start. Tell me a little bit about who this company is.
Yeah, it's a good question. The acronym doesn't really ring a bell with most, but it's the Spanish National Technology Center for the food industry. And so these folks have a very rich network with food manufacturers throughout both the Spanish region and beyond through Europe to conduct R&D work, product development, and hopefully introduce new commercialization for different technologies.
Yeah, and you've talked in the past about the business model of the company, and this really fits into sort of one of the lines of the business that you've talked about.
Yeah, absolutely. And more so part of our international global expansion for sales. And this is going to certainly be an incredible tool for us in sales in that they're going to attract new folks into our pipeline. And that marries well with the new hire that we're making, senior business development manager that's going to be representing us out of the Netherlands forthcoming.
Yeah, tell me how this deal is going to work between the two companies.
So essentially, they purchased equipment from Enwave, which is great. We make margin on that, and then they will be attracting new potential adoptees of the technology, whom will hopefully sign licenses with Enwave and buy additional equipment. If they're successful in bringing us new customers, there is a share of upside for ongoing. So they are incentivized to bring us more business, which is very important. That the
Yeah,
structure.
and you mentioned that they hit a lot of people, 500 associated companies with them, 250 professionals. Like they really have that market nailed down.
Yeah, they're very well known, a reputable organization. So this was an ideal partnership for us, and the fact that they were willing to invest in our technology because they themselves see such a huge upside within their specific region for implementation. I think lends well to where we're going and how we're growing with the business at Enwave.
Absolutely. I'm excited to see how this works out. Brent, thanks very much for the update. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Steve. Take care.
All right, Brent Charlton, the CEO of Enwave.